Are you using Google Fonts and want to optimize your performance? Well, stick around because this video is for you. Hey friends, I'm Mark from the Angular team at Google, and welcome to NG Update, the series where we take a look at the features from the latest Angular releases. In this episode, we are coming in clean with optimization tips for your Angular apps. If you're using Google Fonts in your applications and are on Angular version 11, you can enjoy inline fonts. Mark, how will this benefit me? Hey, I am so glad that you asked. When your page is being rendered, the browser has to follow the link tag for the font to get the style sheet, and then it has to make a request for the font itself. But this two-step process delays the first contentful paint. We can do better. During build time, the Google font linked in your app's index.html will be inlined, and as a result, the browser will only need to make a request for the font file itself. This means less steps before you get to that first contentful paint of your application. Now, we can see this in action. Here's our request without font inlining. We can see two requests in the Network tab in Chrome DevTools. Let's enable font inlining and see the difference. Looking at the DOM, we can see the style sheet for the font is now inlined. And over in the Network tab, there's only one request for the font, and we've sped up the time for the first contentful paint. Okay, that was great, but there's more to the story. There's another way to optimize your performance. That's by inlining critical styles. At build time, we parse the CSS and try to match the selectors against the rendered page. If we find a match, we assume that the styles associated with that selector are part of the critical path and we inline them. I know you want to see this in action too, so let's do it. Here's our page rendered without any critical styles inlined because the option is disabled. And take note that our style sheet is render blocking. Let's enable critical styles and check out the DOM. Here we can see the critical styles are inlined, and as an added bonus, you can see that our script has been updated to load asynchronously. Very crisp. So how do you get these optimizations? Well, apps built with the latest version of Angular already have critical inlining enabled by default, but you will need to enable font inlining yourself. Here's how. Head over to the optimization section of your angular.json file and add the font property, then set the inline property to true. And for styles, set the styles property and set inline critical to true. And there we have it, friends. Go ahead and optimize your apps by inlining your Google fonts and critical styles. And thank me later. In the last video, you folks left a lot of feedback on what you wanted to see. Keep it coming. Comment down below and let us know which topics we should cover. Hey, be awesome and give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next time, friends, go build great apps.